When Microsoft first released Windows 11, you couldn't hide the date and time on the taskbar. The option simply didn't exist. But that finally changed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide or bring back the date and time on your taskbar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. First, let's remove the time and date from your system tray. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen. That's the system tray, where the time and date are displayed. Right-click on the time and date, then click Adjust Date and Time. You'll now be in the date and time settings. Look for the option Show Time and Date in the system tray. On the right side, you'll see a toggle switch. If it's turned on, that's why your clock is visible. Click the toggle to turn it off. Now check the bottom right corner again. The time and date are gone, clean. Now let's bring it back. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to Time and Language. Then click Date and Time at the top. Find the option Show Time and Date in the system tray. Look at the toggle on the right. Right now, it's off because we turned it off earlier. Click the toggle to turn it on. Now check the bottom right corner. Your time and date are visible again. Why this actually matters? Let's be clear, this isn't just a cosmetic tweak. There are real, practical use cases. Content creators, recording tutorials, hide the clock to keep your edits seamless. Software demos, avoid revealing dates for unreleased features. Presentations, keep your screen clean and distraction-free. Video editing, no more covering the corner with awkward overlays in post-production. If you're not using this, you're making your workflow harder than it needs to be. And that's it. You now know how to hide or show the date and time on your taskbar. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and for more straight to the point Windows tips, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.